Time now for the Law and You, and today we're addressing something called metallosis. Got to say it's the first time I've heard about it, but I bet attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli have not.
You do not want metallosis.
Right. Yeah, this does not sound like a fun condition at all. Let's
not at all.
Get to the scenario here from one of our viewers, and here's the setup. Paul in Hazleton says, I had metal put in my hip and have problems for now years. I was diagnosed with metallosis because of it. Is there anything that I can do? So what's Paul talking about?
So metallosis, basically what it is, it means metal on metal. And, these metal hips, I mean, there were, Depew had some of them, Stryker had some of them. There's some significant problems with them. And that metal on metal ends up causing this condition called metallosis, which ends up being extraordinarily painful. You end up having to have the hardware removed. More hardware put in order to cure that, but the metallosis needs to be treated, and it becomes really painful. So there are a number of different class action lawsuits regarding these particular metal hips, and that's one of the things that we've been looking at over the course of the last year, I would say, on these cases.
Yeah, no, we've had a few over the years, and I think the key is if you have a metal hip and you're having problems with it. Now they don't all fit into the category of again, these are very specific cases, specific products, so you can get your medical records, you can find out exactly what type you have, even the product number. They give you those cards usually when you have these implants, and if you do that, it really helps us in the analysis, because that's the first question we're going to ask, what's your device inside of you? So make sure you get that information first. If you can't get it, we can always help you, but there are cases that need some attention.
And if you need the assistance of the attorneys here on the Law and You can give them a call or check them out online. And don't forget, results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli, thanks so much, guys.
Thanks, Dave.
PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are there for you.